She was done. She was done and done. Rooster! He's down! He's down! He's down! He's running! Vinny, get up there! Get up there, Vinny! Where'd it go in at?
Right ahead of Simon. That's where I saw it last, right there. Right where Sunny is now. I put some buckle shot into it. I know I did. Gotta be right there, Brian.
I heard it moving. When I got up here, I heard it move. Where's it at? Where's it at? Find it. Where's it at? Slevin!
Let's go! Light him up. Wait, right here, right there.
You see it?
I see it. Right there. Keep going.
Oh God, it is. It's alive.
Is it alive?
No, wait, it might be dead.
Where's it at?
Good spot. Good spot, Vin. Oh my gosh.
Where was it?
Nice eyes. Holy crap. Woo! We got it.
You're the best shooter. I'm the worst shooter.
Oh my gosh. Good eyes.
He wouldn't have run far. I thought you guys got to go back